Students, in the continuation of operator, next operator is logical operator. Relationship operator that establish relationship among the values. Logical operator refers to the ways this relationship connected. In meanwhile, logical operator check the relationships. Okay. Now check the relationships. Now the logical operator, there are three types of logical operator: or, and, not. Before checking the logic between the relationship, we have to know which type of value considered to be false value and which type of value considered to be true value. So here some values has been given: none for false value, none which is what literal value, and false which is what boolean value, 0 integer, 0.0 is float value, 0 is what complex value, parenthesis, empty square bracket, empty quotes, double quote or single quote, and empty curly braces, this is what false value, and rest of the values are considered to be true value. So first type of logical operator is or operator. This is what combining, this is responsible for combining the expression. Also it is working in two way. First way is what relational expression as operands. Relational expression as operand we can understand with the example this: if I'm in exam center and one paper has come in, I'm exam center and one paper has come, I'm going to solve the paper and one question is there, and this question for optional means one or second question, and the question is scoring 5 marks. So if I am going to solve first question, I will get 5 marks. If I am going to solve second question, I will get 5 marks. If I am going to solve both the question, I will get 5 marks. If I am not solving any of question, I will get 0 marks. So it is based on the optional, it is based on the or optional basis. So here one condition is x, second condition is y. Here the output, first is what, first condition is false and second condition is false, so the output will be false. First is false, second is true, output will be true. First is true, second is false, output will be true. First is true, second is true, output will be true. If in that optional question I am not solving any of the question, I will get 0 marks. If I will solve second question, I will get 5 marks. If I am solving first question, not solving the optional question, I will get 5 marks. If both question I will solve, so I will get 5 marks because the questions are optional question. Here I have given one example: 4 equal to 4. This is what 4 is equal to 4, so this is what true. Or 5 is equal to 8. This is what false, because 5 is not equal to 8, so this is what false. If true value with the logical operator, false value, true with the false, the output will be true, so the output will be true. Next is number string list as operands. So this is what checking the logic between the values. This is what first value, this is second value, and this is result. If first value is false and second value is false, so the output will be second value. If first value is false, second value is true, output will be second value. If first value is true and second value is false, the output will be first value. If first value is true, second value is true, output will be first value. Here 0 is what, previously we have seen some types of value that considered to be false value. So 0 is false value, or 8 is true value. Okay, false value and 8 is true value, so the output will be second value. Second value is what, 8, so the output will be 8. Now next is what, AND operator. This is also responsible to combine the expression and working in two way. First way is what, relational expression as operands, and in this case here I am giving an example: if in the badminton court, one match will be there, and if a player is absent and second player is also absent, so the match will be cancelled. If first player is absent, second player is present, the match will be cancelled. If first player is present, second player is absent, the match will be cancelled. If both the player is present, the match will be started. So if any of them is absent, the match will be cancelled. If both player are the condition is that if both the player are present, then only match will be started. Here I am giving an example. If 4 is equal to 4, that means 4 equal to 4, it is true, and 5 equal to 8, it is false. If first is true and second is false, so the output will be false, because first is true and second is false, the output will be false. Second way is number string list or operand, list as operands. It is what? Value as operands. First value is false, second value is false, the output will be first value. First value is false, second value is true, the output value first value. First value is true, second value is false, the output will be second value. First value is true, second value is true, the output will be second value. If here I am writing first value is 0 and second value is 8, the previously we have seen that chart. If 0 is considered to the false value, if 0 is false and 8 is what? 8 is true value. If false, first value is false and second value is true, the answer is first value. So the answer is first value 0. Now next and last logical operator is what? Not operator. Not operator is unary operator, because only one operator is there and only one operand is there to solve. So not operator is unary operator. This is working on single operand or expression, negates the truth value. This is responsible to negate the truth value. Here some example is example has given. Not 5. Not 5. 5 is what? True value. Not true, it means false. Not 0. 0 is what? False value. So not false, not false, it means it is true. Not true, it means it is false, then false. Not true, it means it is false, false. 5 is greater than 2. It is what? 5 is greater than 2, it means true. Not true, it means it is false, the output will be false.